In the intricate landscape of neuroscience, the exploration of the female and male brains reveals a captivating array of structural and functional differences. These dissimilarities, influenced by a combination of genetics, hormones, and environmental factors, contribute to the fascinating complexity of human cognition. Research indicates that female brains often exhibit a higher density of connections between hemispheres, fostering enhanced communication between the analytical and intuitive aspects of cognition. On the other hand, male brains may showcase a higher proportion of gray matter, which is associated with localized processing and, in some instances, may contribute to differences in spatial reasoning in certain cognitive tasks. Beyond these structural variances, hormonal influences, particularly the interplay of estrogen and testosterone, play a pivotal role in shaping brain development, affecting not only reproductive functions but also influencing cognitive patterns and behaviors unique to each gender. Understanding these neurological distinctions prompts a nuanced appreciation for the diverse ways in which individuals navigate the world. It is crucial to approach this exploration without reinforcing stereotypes or diminishing the capabilities of any gender. Instead, recognizing the inherent variability within each gender allows for a more comprehensive understanding of human cognition and behavior, fostering an environment that celebrates the rich tapestry of neurological diversity. In delving into the unique characteristics of female and male brains, it is imperative to dispel prevailing stereotypes that associate cognitive abilities exclusively with gender. Rather than adhering to simplistic notions of intelligence tied to gender identity, it is crucial to acknowledge the vast spectrum of individual differences within each group. Research consistently challenges the idea that one gender possesses superior cognitive abilities over the other. Intelligence is a complex trait shaped by a multitude of factors, including genetics, environment, and personal experiences, transcending the constraints of gender. By dispelling these stereotypes, we pave the way for a more inclusive understanding of intelligence, one that appreciates the diversity of cognitive strengths and abilities present across the entire spectrum of human experience. Embracing this perspective fosters an environment where individuals are recognized for their unique cognitive contributions, irrespective of gender, dismantling outdated notions that limit our understanding of human intelligence. Understanding the distinctive features of female and male brains involves delving into the intricate influence of sex hormones on cognitive functions. Sex hormones, such as estrogen and testosterone, play a pivotal role in shaping brain development and function, contributing to differences observed between genders. For instance, estrogen has been associated with enhanced verbal memory and communication skills, whereas testosterone is linked to spatial abilities and certain aspects of analytical thinking. These hormonal variations contribute to the nuanced cognitive landscape, highlighting the interconnected relationship between biology and cognition. However, it is essential to avoid reductionist perspectives that oversimplify the intricate interplay of hormones and brain function. While sex hormones contribute to cognitive diversity, they are just one element in a complex web of factors influencing intelligence. Individual differences within each gender far outweigh generalized patterns, emphasizing the need for a nuanced understanding that recognizes the unique cognitive strengths present in every individual, regardless of gender. By exploring the intricate relationship between sex hormones and brain function, we gain insights into the multifaceted nature of intelligence, fostering a more comprehensive appreciation for the diversity of cognitive abilities within the spectrum of human experience. Examining the intricacies of female and male brains through the lens of neuroplasticity reveals a dynamic and adaptive aspect of cognitive architecture. Neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize and adapt in response to experiences, challenges traditional notions of fixed-gendered intelligence. While sex hormones undeniably influence brain development, neuroplasticity suggests that the brain structure is malleable and subject to change throughout one's life. Research indicates that experiences, environmental factors, and learning activities significantly contribute to shaping neural connections. As individuals engage in various cognitive tasks, the brain forms new synaptic connections and refines existing ones, highlighting the role of external stimuli in molding cognitive abilities. This perspective challenges static views of gendered intelligence by emphasizing the importance of individual experiences and societal influences in shaping cognitive patterns. Recognizing neuroplasticity as a central element in brain development invites us to reconsider and expand our understanding of gendered intelligence. Rather than adhering strictly to predetermined gender norms, acknowledging the adaptive nature of the brain encourages a more inclusive and individualized perspective on intelligence. By exploring neuroplasticity in the context of gendered brain development, we navigate towards a more nuanced comprehension of the ever-evolving relationship between the brain, experiences, and the diverse manifestations of cognitive abilities across genders. Expanding our exploration beyond the binary notions of male and female brains, it becomes imperative to delve into the intricate relationship between gender identity and brain diversity. In acknowledging the diverse spectrum of gender identities, we must recognize that the brain's complexity extends far beyond a simplistic dichotomy. Neuroplasticity, as a driving force in brain development, highlights the adaptability of the brain to various gender identities and expressions. Research suggests that gender identity is a multifaceted construct intricately connected to brain structure and function. Neuroplasticity allows for the brain to uniquely adapt to an individual's gender identity, challenging rigid classifications. Embracing this perspective, we navigate a landscape where the brain's adaptability aligns with the rich tapestry of gender identities, emphasizing the need for a more inclusive understanding of the intersection between brain diversity and gender. By exploring the expansive spectrum of gender identities within the framework of neuroplasticity, we foster a more compassionate and informed approach to appreciating the diversity inherent in both the human brain and the expressions of gender identity.